Hello dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today we're going to discuss how to stop carbohydrates cravings fast using our 4 easy and effective strategies. So, come on and join us as we get deep into the science behind carbohydrate cravings, how they can affect your health, and most importantly, how to control them. Carbohydrates, molecular composition, and health effects. Carbohydrates are one of the 3 macronutrients essential to our diet, alongside proteins and fats. They provide energy in the form of glucose, which our body and brain use as a source of fuel. Carbohydrates can be simple, such as sugars, or complex, like fiber and those found in vegetables and legumes. While carbohydrates are said to be absolutely necessary for our body's energy needs, excessive intake, especially of refined or simple carbs, can lead to health problems such as weight gain, insulin resistance, and even type 2 diabetes. Nowadays there is a lot of controversy surrounding this subject, because there is also a lot of info saying that you do not need carbs as a source of energy and that our bodies can use fat in an effective manner to provide that energy. What are the causes of carbohydrates cravings? Cravings for carbohydrates can be caused by various factors including blood sugar fluctuations. When you consume high glycemic index foods, it leads to a rapid spike in blood sugar, as well as a huge spike of insulin, this followed by a sharp glucose drop. This fluctuation can trigger cravings. Nutrient deficiencies. Lack of certain nutrients, such as chromium, zinc, and magnesium, can greatly contribute to carbohydrate cravings. Stress and emotional eating. Stress and emotions can trigger cravings for comfort foods high in carbs. Habits and environment. Regularly consuming high-carb foods can create a habit, while certain environments and situations may trigger cravings. Serotonin production. Carbohydrates help boost serotonin, a mood-regulating hormone, which can contribute to cravings. This factor makes carbs, mainly refined carbohydrates, additive. Sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels and increase cravings for carbohydrates. Dehydration. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to cravings. And also, when there is a sodium deficiency, which is a very important electrolyte, your brain can send confusing signals, making you feel like you have carb craving. So stay well hydrated. Sugar addiction. Yes, sugar addiction is totally real. Excessive sugar intake can lead to addiction and increase cravings for sweet, high-carb foods. It is an absolute vicious cycle and you need to be very careful with it. Low protein intake. A diet low in protein can increase cravings for carbohydrates. Low fat intake. A diet low in healthy fats can also contribute to cravings for carbs. Social and cultural influences. Celebrations and social gatherings often involve high-carb foods, which can reinforce cravings. Hormonal changes. Hormonal fluctuations, such as those during menstruation, can increase cravings for carbs. Type of carbs consumed. Consuming refined carbs like flours and sugars can lead to more intense cravings compared to complex carbs. Genetics. Genetic factors can influence how your body responds to eating carbs and the intensity of carbohydrates cravings. Ghrelin and leptin levels. These hunger-regulating hormones can be affected by diet and lifestyle, influencing cravings. Poor diet quality. A diet lacking in nutrient-dense foods can lead to cravings for high-carb options. Low fiber intake. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied. A lack of fiber can lead to cravings. Timing of meals. Skipping meals or having irregular meal times can increase carb cravings. Insulin resistance. Insulin resistance can lead to high blood sugar levels and cravings for carbs. Lack of physical activity. Sedentary lifestyles can contribute to cravings and poor blood sugar control. Leaky gut syndrome. Poor gut health may influence cravings and appetite. Processed foods. Highly processed foods often contain refined carbs and added sugars, leading to more cravings. Lack of satiety. Consuming foods that don't keep you full for long can lead to cravings. Caffeine intake. High caffeine intake may impact blood sugar levels and contribute to cravings. Lack of meal planning. Not planning meals can lead to impulsive choices and cravings. Emotional health. Poor emotional health can lead to cravings for high-carb, comfort foods. How to stop carbohydrates cravings fast with these 4 things. Now that we understand some of the main causes, here are our 4 easy and effective strategies to help you stop carbohydrate cravings quickly. 1. Increase protein and fiber in your meals. Consuming more protein and fiber can help keep you full longer, and they also help to stabilize blood sugar levels. Include lean proteins like red meat, chicken, and fish, along with fiber-rich vegetables, low-sugar fruits, and seeds like chia and flax. 2. Stay hydrated. Sometimes, cravings can be a sign of dehydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb cravings and keep you feeling satisfied. 3. Manage stress. Stress can trigger emotional eating and cravings for comfort foods. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormone levels and increase cravings for high-carb foods. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of good quality sleep each night. Tips to avoiding carbs. In addition to the 4 strategies mentioned above, there are some other tips you can use to avoid unnecessary carb consumption. Have a maximum of 3 meals per day. By sticking to 3 balanced meals per day, you can avoid excessive snacking and the temptation to indulge in high-carb foods, as well as better sugar and insulin levels, helping with those cravings. Avoid trigger foods and situations. Identify the foods and situations that lead to cravings and try to avoid them as much as possible. Supplementation. Consider taking supplements like chromium, zinc, or magnesium to help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Remember, moderation and balance are key to managing carbohydrate cravings effectively. Implementing these strategies can help you take control of your cravings and make healthier food choices. So, in conclusion and to summarize today's video, carbohydrates play a role in providing energy to our bodies, but excessive consumption can lead to several health issues. Even though there is a lot of controversy on this subject nowadays. In particular, refined and simple carbohydrates can spike blood sugar levels, leading to fluctuations that may trigger cravings. Understanding the molecular composition and effects of carbohydrates on health is essential for managing cravings and maintaining optimal health. We also explored the causes of carbohydrate cravings, such as blood sugar fluctuations, nutrient deficiencies, stress, emotional eating, and habitual or environmental triggers. These factors can make it challenging to control cravings and make healthier food choices. However, there are effective strategies to stop carbohydrate cravings quickly. Increase protein and fiber intake. Consuming more protein and fiber helps keep you full for longer and stabilizes blood sugar levels, reducing the likelihood of cravings. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day can help curb cravings and keep you feeling satisfied. Manage stress. Stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help prevent emotional eating and cravings. Get enough sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep can regulate hormone levels and prevent cravings for high-carb foods. In addition to these strategies, other helpful tips include eating a maximum of 3 times per day. By limiting meal frequency, you can reduce unnecessary snacking and the temptation to indulge in high-carb foods. Avoiding trigger foods and situations. Identifying and avoiding foods and situations that lead to cravings can help you make healthier choices. Supplementation. Consider supplements such as chromium or magnesium, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. By incorporating these strategies and tips into your daily routine, you can take control of your carbohydrate cravings and improve your overall health. Managing cravings allows you to make healthier food choices, which can lead to better weight management, maintain balanced blood sugar levels, achieve your health and wellness goals, and overall well-being. Overall, understanding the role of carbohydrates in your diet and the factors that contribute to cravings is essential for making informed dietary decisions. Thank you very much for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is greatly appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going. Thank you.